Betsy Malloy Photography. Recchuiti Confections is in the Ferry Building Marketplace. If you can only go to one chocolate shop during your San Francisco visit, this is it. The chocolate in this photograph is the burnt caramel truffle. Being chocoholics, we couldn't wait to try them after the purchase. They literally stopped us in our tracks, they tasted so good. For a few moments, other visitors just had to walk around us, while we stood there, savoring the chocolatey, silky richness, rolling our eyes and going ooh. Recchiuti's skill with chocolate texture is unparalleled, and the surfaces of their truffles are as shiny as glass. But their real forte, in my opinion, are unusual flavor pairings, which include combinations like Tarragon Grapefruit plus Cardamom Nougat, chocolate-coated key lime apples and rose caramel. And their burnt caramel is perfection. Recchiuti sells a cute little box of truffles with San Francisco scenes on the top. If you're looking for something to take home, they're tempting. If I were there with you, I'd tell you to resist and pick something more unusual instead.